Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Aerobie Pro Ring. So let's first take a look at its card packaging. So on this card is an Aerobie Pro Ring. This is the 13-inch or 33cm version of the flying ring, and this one is in orange. It's also available in blue and yellow. And just taking a look at the details on its card packaging, and as well as at the back there's some product information for its use, as well as caution information. And some of that is in various languages. And now let's go ahead and unpack it by, of course, cutting apart the sticky tape that's keeping the clear strap, securing the Aerobie Pro Ring on the card and releasing it, and just setting the card to the side and setting it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a full and clear look at the Aerobie Pro Ring. And now taking some close-up looks. So it does have a 13-inch diameter or 33cm width. And taking a look at the underside of the ring, we can see that it does have that orange and blue or purple colorway. And taking a close-up look at the details right there and the edges as well. So we can see that it does have very soft and floppy rubber edges for comfortable catching as well as throwing. So right there, giving you a look right there at the close-up details of this flying ring, and at the underside as well. So the core or spine of the flying ring is of harder plastic, but on the edges does have soft rubber edges right there, so giving you a look at this Aerobie Pro Ring and the close-up details right there, and of course the thickness of this ring. And to give you some idea of the size, just placing my hand inside of the flying ring. So right there, the Aerobie Pro Ring in the orange color. And of course, giving you some idea of the overall stiffness and flexibility of the ring. So right there, the central purple spine or structure keeping the flying ring in shape, and of course those soft rubber edges helping with durability as well as comfort for grip and catches. So now let's go ahead and test it. The Aerobie Pro Ring.